Do not attempt this on your own. Try and do it on a closed track if you can, but if it's closed, find a street. Whoa, she's sliding.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to today's video. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe right now. This is Everything S550. I'm your host, Zach, and let's get on with today. So today is a much requested video. I've been seeing on TikTok, YouTube, and Snapchat, there's a lot of comments out there saying that I should do a POV drive of my car. So that's exactly what we're doing today. So we're gonna get loaded up, get ready to go, and have some fun with the car. But before that, let's get into the details. So we're all stuck in quarantine right now, and I'm sure all of you want to get outside, get active, get fit, especially when you're at home and you're trying to make the most of staying in quarantine. Working out is a very important part to staying in great shape, along with like running, lifting, all that. Doing all that at home is very accessible. I'm gonna link some videos down below on how to do that in your free time because it's important that you stay as healthy as possible during these tough times. Alright, to helping you stay in shape, today's video sponsor is FNX Fitness. So they sell everything from t-shirts, athletic gear, duffel bags, backpacks, all the way to supplements like protein powder, protein bars, anything you need to stay in shape. So click the first link in my description, use promo code ZC15 to get 15% off all your purchases. Let's get right into today's video. Let's go.
Alrighty guys, good morning. How are you all today? This is a much requested video, especially through TikTok. If you don't follow me there, you definitely should. Just search up Zach Chen. POV drives seem to be blowing up, and some of y'all have been requesting for me to do that, especially through that app. So thought I'd bring it to you guys today because some of you guys are from that app that are coming to visit me. So let's give it a shot. I was told that since there's not a lot of people out on the road, this would be a perfect time to do it. Let's do it. Let it warm up a little bit. Ooh, this thing's, she wants to run. Listen to that exhaust. The other day I was literally like, I'm getting so sick of this quarantine, I decided to cut my own hair, and oh my god, was that a disaster. Like it got to a point where I was just losing my mind, and I tried to do it myself, and I messed it up so bad that my mom had to take over, and that just went downhill from there too. So it was just, it's been interesting. No signs of La Policia yet, so that's good. Part of the drive starts. These are my favorite roads that I'm taking you guys on today. I don't really film out here that often because when I'm driving I have both hands on the wheel, kind of like trying to focus and having fun. So it's kind of hard to hold a camera doing that, but I never thought about doing a POV kind of thing. God, what a gorgeous day it is. I'm gonna be stuck behind this Escape, aren't I? Damn it. Clear. Chad, I want to know what them get ahead a little bit. Downshift to third. Downshifts are smooth today. And now we're coming up on somebody. Great. Hopefully they turn off. That's all you can hope for. Now comes the moment of truth, if this guy is turning off or not, or if he's staying on this road. Please tell me he stays straight, because I want to go this way. Ooh, she's sliding a little bit. I caught up to her real fast. God, look how nice it is out. This is awesome. I mean, the only thing I can complain about right now is this lady, but other than that, this is sweet. Moment of truth. Please turn your blinker on. Yes! Thank God. And I will be the first on this road. Open her up. Come on, light. Bang green. There we go. Make sure there's no cops left, no cops right. We are good. Let her rip. Coming in hotter on this turn. It's a sharp turn. Short shifting a little bit because I am nervous that there might be somebody up here, but we'll find out when we turn around. Isn't there a purr? Closed. Can I make it? Can. Perfect. Do not attempt this on your own. Try and do it on a closed track if you can, but if it's closed, find a street. Whoa, she's sliding. On the throttle, come around up here, brake, clutch in, downshift to third, come around this turn, dump truck, get back on the throttle. We hit traffic. Well, that was fun. Right when you get to the about 4,000 RPMs is when it really starts to pull, so I'm gonna let it ride up to 4,000 and then hammer down. Holy shit, that gets up to speed quick. So 4,000 is about the time you want to pull it at. So if I'm doing a rolling race, I'm going to drop it up to about 4,000 RPMs and just drop the hammer. And then you get stuck behind people doing 35. Holy shit, Aston Martin. You don't get to see one of those every day. That's for damn sure. Ooh, that was a little high. Holy shit.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Oh, I think that cop got me, so I think I'm gonna end it there for today. I may do one last pull, so hold on. Then I'm gonna downshift to second. Final pull of the day. Ooh, damn, this thing wants to run. Oh, the exhaust is popping. I love it.
Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. It was awesome having you guys. If you guys made it this far in today's video, please like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Snapchat, do all that. It will all be in the description. Don't forget to click my link on FNX Fitness as well. Use promo code ZC15 to get 15% off your first purchase, or all your purchases actually. So, that is it for today. I am so happy I didn't fold over. That scared the hell out of me, I'm not gonna lie. But anyways, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.